Okay, so today's video is going to be the one that you guys have been recommending me quite a bit. It is dedicated to how to use stuff like um, the sunroof, or turning on the lights in the interior, or I don't know, opening the doors, the hood, the trunk and stuff like that. So it's pretty simple. It takes like 30 seconds of your time. So this is pretty much how you do it. So you go into Content Manager. To be able to do this, you have to have Content Manager. Link is in the description for everybody who doesn't have it. And now, once you're in Content Manager, you're gonna go into Settings. You're gonna go here in Assetto Corsa. You're gonna go here in Controls, and then you're gonna go to the Patch tab. And this pretty much right here is everything you need. So as you can see, you have stuff like left turn signal, right turn signal, you have hazards, you have wipers, and then this right here, these four things right here are the things that you use to open sunroofs and stuff like that. Now you gotta keep in mind one thing. Stuff like sunroof, taking out the badge of the Rolls-Royce, the Spirit of Ecstasy or stuff like that, it doesn't work on every single car because for example, the Kunos cars, none of them have any of those features. Only cars that have those features are the modded cars that have enabled those features. So it's up to the modders. If you, for example, go and install an Audi R8 mod and then you want to, for example, turn on the hazards and it doesn't do it, that's because mod doesn't support that. Just to clear that thing up, if you want to use these controls on your keyboard, the thing you have to do is you have to go to the buttons and then you go all the way up and you have this right here which says combine with keyboard. You take that up, go to the patch, and then here on the left side are your keyboard controls, and on the right side are your wheel controls. So if you for example don't want to use keyboard stuff, and if you for example here use hazards and then click here and then click X on your steering wheel, in my case it's the Logitech G29, and then you go into the game, click X and nothing happens, for example on a car that you know that has the support for hazards, and then nothing happens, that's because you just used the wrong side for controls pretty much. So you just go back and then switch it to the other side. That's pretty much it. It's a very simple thing. I honestly hope this helped you anyways. I don't really think it did, but I hope it did. So make sure to like this video, subscribe, and comment if this helped you. If it didn't, then it's okay. But yeah, I'll see you in the next video in just a couple of days. Peace.